Okay, so the next step in our step-by-step setup process here is rename records. Now, I note here that review this for in case you need it. Vast majority of my implementations, we've not made any changes here. So let's just go to NetSuite so I can just show you what it is. So if you go setup, company, rename records or transactions. Right. So these are the terminology NetSuite is currently using for customer, vendor, department, and so on. In the case where your terminology is different, so let's say for vendors, you use the name suppliers, then you can change it here, right? Or, I don't know, if maybe for checks you spell check differently. As a rule, I don't like to change any of this because I think it makes support harder, right? So if you're going to talk to support and you've renamed one of these entities, that's just going to make support a little bit harder. So as a general rule, I don't like to change these. But that is what this is all about. So here's all your transactions, there are all your entities, and here's your account types, right? So can change them if you want. I would suggest probably not.